A single $2,000 plastic quadcopter can now neutralize a $4 million main battle tank using a $30 modified grenade. This asymmetry has fundamentally inverted the economics of land warfare by making heavy armor vulnerable to consumer toys. DJI Innovations did not design their products for the battlefield. They built high-quality cameras for wedding photographers and hikers. Yet their hardware is now the primary reconnaissance tool for nearly every modern military and paramilitary force on Earth. By controlling over 70% of the global consumer drone market, this single company from Shenzhen has achieved a level of standardization that military contractors cannot match. Their supply chain efficiency allows for production volumes in the millions. The Mavic 3 series has become the AK-47 of the sky. It is reliable, affordable, and requires minimal training. Its folding design allows a single soldier to carry a sophisticated aerial platform in a standard backpack side pocket. The proprietary OcuSync protocol was designed to provide stable video for hobbyists in crowded cities. On the battlefield, this same frequency-hopping technology proved remarkably resistant to military-grade electronic warfare and signal jamming attempts. Before the Enterprise series, thermal imaging was a high-cost capability reserved for elite units. Now, for under $6,000, any small unit can detect heat signatures through fog, smoke, or total darkness at a range of several kilometers. Traditional defense systems take years to update. This company pushes firmware updates in weeks. Their mature software ecosystem allows for rapid integration with third-party mapping tools and artillery correction applications, creating a seamless digital kill chain. The Aeroscope system was built for law enforcement to track drones near airports. In conflict zones, it unintentionally became a powerful tool for locating enemy operators by intercepting the unencrypted radio link between the controller and the aircraft. Every critical component, from the brushless motors and electronic speed controllers to the optical sensors, is manufactured within the same industrial ecosystem. This vertical integration makes the company immune to the component shortages that plague Western defense startups. High-energy density lithium polymer batteries are the lifeblood of small unmanned aerial vehicles. Massive investment in consumer electronics has resulted in flight times exceeding 45 minutes, a threshold many military systems struggle to meet at this scale. Precision-guided munitions cost over $100,000 per shot. A basic drone allows inexpensive dumb artillery to achieve similar accuracy by providing real-time coordinates and impact adjustments via encrypted chat applications and live video feeds. Military procurement usually takes decades. Now, volunteer organizations use online retail platforms to buy thousands of drones and ship them directly to the front lines. This bypasses traditional defense bureaucracy and puts technology in hands within days. Software locks prevent drones from flying in restricted zones. However, users in combat zones have developed custom firmware and signal hacks to bypass these restrictions. This has turned a safety feature into a geopolitical cat-and-mouse game of software security. Battlefield life expectancy for a small drone is often less than 3 flights. In this environment, expensive, exquisite military systems are a liability. The sheer quantity of cheap drones creates a persistent surveillance blanket that is impossible to fully degrade. The ability to stream high-definition video with less than 30 milliseconds of latency gives operators a godlike view of the battlefield. This situational awareness reduces friendly fire and allows for complex tactical maneuvers in urban environments. Consumer obstacle avoidance sensors are now advanced enough to navigate dense forests and indoor corridors without global positioning system signals. This capability, designed to prevent beginners from crashing, allows for covert indoor reconnaissance in complex urban warfare. Western competitors struggle because they cannot match the price-to-performance ratio. To produce a drone with similar capabilities at the same price point requires an established consumer electronics ecosystem that does not exist outside of the Pearl River Delta. Regulating these drones is nearly impossible because they are essential tools for farmers, filmmakers, and search and rescue teams. Any ban on the technology would cripple domestic commercial industries, leaving governments with few options to control their military proliferation. The trend toward miniaturization continues with the Mini series. Weighing under 249 grams, these drones bypass many international aviation regulations while still carrying stabilized 4K cameras, making them the ultimate stealth scouts for infantry squads. 3-axis mechanical gimbals were perfected for smooth cinematic shots. On the battlefield, this stability allows for precise long-range zoom and target identification, even in high winds, providing steady intelligence that digital stabilization alone cannot provide. Every update is a battle. The manufacturer tries to implement safety features and compliance, while specialized software communities release patches to disable altitude limits and identification broadcasts. The battlefield has become a live testing ground for cybersecurity resilience. The company's global distribution network ensures that spare parts are available in almost every country. This logistical reach means that a downed drone can be repaired or replaced using parts from a local hobby shop, a luxury no military contractor provides. Because the flight controls are intuitive and derived from video game logic, a teenager can become a proficient drone pilot in hours. This low barrier to entry allows armies to rapidly scale their aerial reconnaissance capabilities without long training cycles. Simple aftermarket payload release systems, originally for fishing or flower delivery, have been repurposed to carry various munitions. This modularity allows a standard civilian drone to be converted into a precision strike platform in less than 5 minutes. By spreading the signal across a wide bandwidth and jumping between frequencies thousands of times per second, these drones maintain a link even in high-noise environments. This consumer-grade technology has effectively nullified millions of dollars in legacy jamming equipment. New remote identification standards meant for civilian safety are a death sentence on the battlefield. Both sides now use signal intelligence to sniff out these broadcasts, leading to a desperate race to develop stealthy, silent firmware that hides the operator's position. Onboard processors designed for tracking mountain bikers can now be trained to identify tanks, soldiers, and camouflage patterns. This edge computing reduces the cognitive load on the operator, allowing the drone to automatically highlight targets in a busy visual environment. A Predator drone costs $15 million. For that price, an army can purchase 7,000 Mavic 3 Enterprise drones. The tactical utility of 7,000 distributed sensors far outweighs the value of a single high-altitude platform in high-intensity conflict. By fusing data from accelerometers, gyroscopes, and vision sensors, these drones achieve incredible hover stability, even without satellite navigation. This allows them to remain stationary inside buildings or under bridges where traditional military drones would lose control and crash. Sanctions are easily bypassed through third-party distributors in neutral countries. The company officially suspends sales to conflict zones, yet tens of thousands of units continue to flow through small shell companies, highlighting the futility of traditional export controls for consumer goods. Aerodynamic research into low-noise propellers was intended to make drones less annoying in public parks. On the battlefield, this makes them nearly audible at heights above 100 meters, allowing for covert surveillance that is physically impossible for larger, noisier aircraft. The latest starlight sensors allow for full-color video in near-total darkness. This technology has stripped away the tactical advantage of might movements, forcing soldiers to operate under the assumption that they are being watched 24 hours a day. This company has inadvertently started a global arms race in counter-drone technology. Jamming guns, high-energy lasers, and even kamikaze interceptor drones are all being developed specifically to counter the ubiquitous threat of these mass-produced Chinese quadcopters. The next step is swarm intelligence. As software becomes more capable, a single operator will soon control dozens of drones simultaneously. The underlying hardware is already here, waiting only for the software updates that will turn consumer toys into a coordinated weapon system. The era of exquisite, expensive defense platforms is being challenged by the era of mass-produced, disposable technology. By dominating the civilian market, DJI Innovations has unintentionally reshaped the future of military strategy for the next century.